Hello, welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to help you try to achieve this look and let you know what kind of products I use that I recommend using. So let's start out with the ultimate, the foundation of all makeup, the legendary, very legendary that I just picked up the other day, MAC. Studio Fixed Fluid Broad Spectrum SPF 15. So, Studio Fixed Fluid Broad Spectrum. Okay, and it is in AB. Wait, is it AB7? AB7. That is my. This is a. Excuse me. This is a full coverage, which covers up everything, and it's better than the tint because it's full coverage, which I highly recommend. And also it is in my skin color and my complexion, but it kind of tans it up a little bit, a little more dark tanness, a little darker tint. So this is what I put on my beauty blender, and I highly recommend the beauty blender. It works better than the cheap makeup sponges. It's worth the price because it works better and it's higher quality. And the makeup sponge absorbs the foundation and doesn't really give you a good coverage. So I recommend the Beauty Blender and the MAC, both for MAC, found in the MAC stores. And the color again is AB7. There we go, MAC. So you spread this out. It's pretty basic on your face. Next up is MAC. This is Saint Germain, the ultimate Saint Germain, which I highly recommend that I use for my complexion. If you have a tan complexion like me, I'm Asian, but I have a dark complexion, then I'm not really light skinned. So I kind of have like a little dark skin. And this is the only thing that really matches my complexion. And I use this lipstick every single day. And it's the only lipstick color that I use. And I buy this in bundles because this is the only thing I use that actually matches my complexion. So this is Saint Germain. And this is what I continue to use from MAC. And then I picked this up the other day. MAC Lip Glass. MAC Lip Glass in Snob. Snob. See that? Snob. Isn't this the cutest color you could ever find? It's baby pink and it's so cute. It's so cute that, let me see if I can try it on a little bit more. I mean, these are just the products that I've been using. See? It's really pretty. I like it a lot. Made the right choice in getting that. Next up, eyeshadow. This is lovely. It's from the Panda collection. It is Classic Cutie from MAC. I love MAC. So, this is so darling. Just look at the colors. Aren't they the most cutest colors to die for? Love these colors. Lavender, kind of pastel colors, kind of pinky, beautiful. Classic Cutie, which I use my Forever 21 brushes. They are so cute. Oops. Very cheap and affordable. Comes in different sizes. Very cheap. Works fine for the Classic Cutie MAC and Forever 21 brushes. Next up, we want to do the basic stuff, which is very important. Very important. It is the Too Faced, which I like. Too Faced. It is the eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, Too Faced. Obviously, it's in the color black on your eyelids. And then we have the mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, waterproof. So when you cry or anything like that, or you're in the rain, this is very helpful, and this is helpful for pretty much everyday use. So I highly recommend this Better Than Sex mascara. Is it really better than sex? I have no idea. This is Too Faced. There you go. So what other stuff did I use? Next up, finally, the last thing that I used was my false eyelashes. false eyelashes. I have like a couple of them, not too much, that I've been using. From Tarte. This is Tarte TS. Tarte from Tarte TS. Tarte TS from Tarte Pro Lash Adhesives. I highly recommend getting the clear ones because unless you make a mistake and you make a mess. I also have the dark one that causes a big mess, so I usually don't like using it unless you're really good at putting on eyelashes. But I have the clear ones, which is better for not making a mess, so I highly recommend. 2, Tarte. I love Tarte. Tarte TS Pro Lash Adhesives. This is in black. Then these are the boxes that I have from Tarte. Tarte TS. Tarte TS Pro. Tarte False Eyelashes. Cruelty False Eyelashes. Some of them are more voluminous than others, and some of them are more like everyday basics, very, very natural looking, and some are a lot more voluminous and more glamorous, like the ones I'm using. So that's what I recommend, and that's pretty much all I use. So what I really recommend and love using is Tarte, Too Faced. That's the only thing that I really use. I don't use anything else. I don't like mixing up too much stuff. I like using basic stuff that I always use. It's Too Faced, which I use all the time. The MAC is the classic Cutie, and the classic lipstick that I always use, and the lip gloss, which I really recommend. And then I have the foundation, which I always use, is the legendary MAC foundation from Beauty Blender. And that's pretty much it. So that's all I have for you today. And I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you continue to watch all my other videos about what I have in my bag. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so and don't forget to pick up your lash adhesive from Tarte TS. And that's all for me. And the next video I will make of what's in my bag. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. And bye.